Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install MySQL Workbench on Windows 11 operating system. But the process is same on Windows 10 also. Okay, first go to mysql.com. MySQL Workbench is a GUI tool for MySQL. Click on downloads, scroll down, click on MySQL Community Downloads. Then click on MySQL Workbench. Then select the Microsoft Windows. Then click on this x86 MSI installer. Click on download. Then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is 42 megabytes. Now click on open file. Then click on next. See, this will be the location for MySQL Workbench. If you want to change, click on change button. Otherwise, click on cancel. Then click on next. See, here we have the two options, one custom and complete. Select the complete and click on next. See, this is the summary of the installation. So click on install to start the installation of MySQL Workbench. Click on install. Here CM is community edition. We have successfully installed MySQL Workbench. Keep the checkbox, launch MySQL Workbench now. Click on finish. See, this is the MySQL Workbench. Now click on add connection to connect to MySQL server. Click on this plus button, then provide the method like standard TCP or any of these methods. Okay, I'm going with standard TCP. Then hostname, give the IPR, loopback IP or localhost. Then port number 3306, then username or password, root, then click on store in vault. Then provide the password of this MySQL server. Click on OK. Then click on test connection. See, connection warning, but it is OK. Continue anyway. See, connection is success. Click on OK. Click on OK. We have to give the name for this connection. MySQL 8.4. If you don't know how to install MySQL 8.4 on Windows, you can go through my channel and search for it. There I have created a video to install MySQL on Windows. Click on OK. Click on it. Click on. See, we have these 4 databases. Let us connect to MySQL by using MySQL command line client. Show databases. See, we have these databases. Here we can create databases also. Create database test1. Select it and click on this execute button. See, one is created. Right click on databases and select this refresh. See, new database is added. Even if you go to the MySQL command line client, show databases again. See, new database is added. So in this video we have seen how to install MySQL Workbench on Windows 11 operating system. For more MySQL videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.